brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and elders. I shall treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people. I place my devotion in their well-being and prosperity alone. Lies my happiness.
आइए दीजिए।
Thank you, sir.